Dear viewer, today we'll be discussing Monero Mixer, the Monero mixing service that enhances privacy and security in cryptocurrency transactions. Monero Mixer allows users to mix their Monero coins with others, making it difficult to trace the origin and destination of funds. This adds an extra layer of privacy and reduces the risk of theft. To use Monero Mixer, users visit the website in the description, provide the destination address, and generate a mixing code. The coins are then mixed with others, ensuring anonymity. Once mixing is complete, the funds will be clean and untraceable. It's important to note that Monero Mixer is not for illegal activities, but aims to protect users' privacy and security. In conclusion, Monero Mixer is a valuable tool for those who value privacy and security in their Monero transactions. Consider exploring its benefits today. The link for the Monero Mixer can be found in the description.